Yeah, I think it's okay. If you've got the agreement and take it from the state, it's his job is to defend the state.
It's yours.
I'm putting this together, Senator, or something. We read exactly what we've got now.
I'm not sure they know. You know, while we're debating the finer constitutional points of this, I don't think we got 50 votes in the House to pass this if we change it. We may be wasting everybody's time here.
Well,
is that an accurate statement?
Let's quit wasting it. We've got an agreement now?
Well, no, I just made that in the form of a motion to try to get a majority
I
report.
understand. Well, we have a motion to strike D2, to strike the language after state in section E, and to add a severability clause.
Correct.
That's the motion for the Senate Conference Committee. Seconded. All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
All opposed? Ayes have it. Back to the House.
Motion before you as stated, strike D2, E, sentence after state. Motion before you. All those in favor
And
say
add a
aye.
Severability.
Oh, and add the severability clause. I apologize.
After the second state, there's two states.
Yes, I'm sorry. That is, let me make certain of that, but that is after the second state. It says, comma, its officials, employees.
It's in the fifth sentence.
All those in favor, say aye. Aye. Opposed?
No.
Okay. That would constitute a majority report, so we would have something to take back to the bodies. If it failed, then another conference committee could be appointed. Is that correct?
For the purpose of clarification, what we're talking about doing is striking in the fifth sentence of section E, its officials, employees, and agents. We're retaining in there in the event that any law or regulation violating public policy set forth in this section. Okay?
Yes, I'm sorry.
So we're removing official, employees, and agents from that sentence. Just make sure we understand.
So that would give us a majority report. We would vote on that majority report. If it fails, then the speakers would appoint a new conference committee. Is that correct?
Unanimous recommendation.
Well, I don't know if it's unanimous or not.
Said it could be.
Oh, could be.
I just want to clarify. If this report fails, does the bill fail? I don't know.
No.
If we bring it back
If
to
we
the
went
House.
back to the body and presented our report and the report failed, it's my understanding that a new conference committee, we would then move to concur or non-concur, then a new conference, if we non-concur, the new conference committee would be appointed because we couldn't do our job, which is fine. We won't come the next one. So how should we say that? Was a unanimous or, well, it doesn't matter. We have a majority
Did you
report.
take a vote?
We did.
Okay.
We're worried.
We have a majority report.
We're worried
Okay, at least
because
four.
we are down 9 votes. And
Did all three of you vote for that?
No, I voted against.
You voted against. Okay. All right.
I guess
Good. Okay.
Did you vote against it, Susan?
Fix up the report for us.
She did, but we have a majority report.
One vote in the House, one vote in the Senate. If you
Okay.
got two
Okay.
noes, you don't have a vote in the House. That's right.
For the benefit of the observers,
then I'll
can you,
change my vote.
can you
I'll change
tell
my
us
vote
what the
back.
bill does
Gary,
now
Gary, let me,
and how it's changed?
we're looking at this, at the Senate bill. We deleted the section after it says, and to defend, and defend as necessary this state. The Senate bill currently says its officials, employees, and agents in any event of the, we deleted the language, its officials, employees, and agents. Then in section D2, it says the Attorney General shall take such action as is provided in subsection E. We deleted that section and then added a severability clause.
Well, let's get the report. We voted. Let's get the report whipped up, and y'all can explain it over there, and we'll explain it over here. Let's move on. Okay?
I've got a question. If this fails and the speaker decides not to appoint another conference committee, then what happens?
it's under your house rules.
I
Talk
have
to
no
your clerk.
idea.
I'd talk to your clerk. So. Okay,
I'm under the assumption that the bill fails.
I think you have the right to appoint another committee. Now, whether you're required to, I doubt it.
I don't think I'm required to.
Unless the House voted to require you to.
Okay.
Still
Well,
don't
if we
think
say
I'm-
the Attorney General is right in his opinion about it being unconstitutional, then we're admitting that the national health care is constitutional.
No, I think that we do not have to agree that the Attorney General is correct, but we can understand that the Attorney General is the governor's attorney, and the governor does trust his word.
Can I move that we adjourn with the report provided, please?
Yep,
And we'll
and
sign
Tom,
those.
Tom, you're going
Yeah, I
to
want
prepare the
to
report.
see this, I want to see
On it, thank you, Tom.